Hello students, welcome. Today we are studying a lesson of agricultural biology which is named important fruit disease, in which first of all we study the first disease, citrus canker. Citrus canker disease. Now start. Citrus canker is an important disease of the citrus genus, which is found in all over the world citrus producing areas. In India and Java considered as a native place of this disease. जो इंडिया है और जावा है उसको इस रोग की उत्पत्ति का केंद्र माना गया है. And in India, this disease is also known as Nasur. This disease is also known as Nasur in India. Okay. In India, this disease was firstly seen in 1927 to 1931 on the sample of citrus media by Fawcett and Jenkins in Dehradun. And in 1842 to 1844, this disease is found in sample of Citrus aurantifolia in Java. Okay, and the eradication program, many eradication programs were started in all over the country to remove this disease from the world. In 1914 to 1931, California, USA started eradication program to eradicate this disease, and Florida will also start the eradication program for this disease. The eradication program of this disease in Florida is a historical event, because in Florida, for the eradication of this disease, all citrus gardens are destroyed. So this eradication of this disease in Florida is a historical event. Okay, so this is about the history. Now we are seeing the symptoms. We are talking about the symptom of this disease. Which symptoms are seen during this disease? During this disease, when this disease is occur in plants of citrus, crush-like disease lessens or scobispores and small cankers appear on the all parts of the plants. जब ये डिजीज होती है तो क्रश-लाइक जो लेसन्स है, जो स्पोर्स हैं, वो दिखाई देते हैं पूरे प्लांट्स के ऊपर, such as leaves, young twigs and fruits. This crush-like lessons are firstly seen on the lower surface of leaf. Firstly seen on lower surface of leaf, which is translucent and yellowish in color, which later turn into white or grayish in color, and finally they rupture. And these type of spores are found on the young twigs and fruits. These cankerous spores contain many million pathogens which spread out and increase the disease. Okay, so this is all about the symptoms of this disease which is found on the plants. And due to this disease, the young twigs become irregular in shape, and their skin or outer epidermis become lessened. Okay, now we are talking about causal organism or pathogens of this disease. The pathogens, this disease is caused by a bacteria which is initially found as named Xanthomonas citri. Now today we are known as Xanthomonas axonopodis pathovar citri. It is the name of bacteria, scientific name of bacteria which cause the disease of citrus. This bacteria is small, rod-shaped, and with this single flagella, and it is gram-negative bacteria, and it is aerobic in respiration nature. Okay, so it is all about the causing organism or pathogens. Now we are seeing the disease cycle of this disease. Next is disease cycle of citrus disease. Disease cycle start from infections from the infected plants. The infection take place through stomata and wounds. Infection take place from stomata and wounds to healthy plants. The pathogen enter in healthy plants through stomata or wounds. Okay. This disease is not a soil-borne. Soil-borne disease नहीं है. Okay. The pathogen perinate in the old lessons and twigs still attached to the host plant. जो इसमें पैथोजन है वो पेरिनेट मतलब लंबे सेंटर जो है वो ओल्ड पार्ट जो लेसेंस है और जो उसके ट्विग्स है जो कि उससे अटैच है उसके अंदर ही रहता है, डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं होता है. जो उसके रेजिड्यू होते हैं जो इन्फेक्टेड प्लांट्स के उसके अंदर रहता है, डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं होता है. ओके. From there it means infected plant. From infected plant it spread by the rain, wind or insect to the new healthy plants. जो infected plants है उसी rain से या फिर wind से या फिर insect से जो spread होता है और healthy plants पर पहुंच जाता है और वहां जाके उसको infect करता है through stomata और worms और growth करता है. For the spreading of this disease fastly, the suitable temperature is 20 to 30 degrees centigrade, and wet weather is more suitable for spreading this disease fastly. Okay, so this condition is suitable for growing this disease. Okay, so this is about this disease cycle of citrus disease. Now we talk about the management of this disease. How we can control this disease if this disease is found in our areas. So we can 3 methods to control this disease. First is the cultural management. Cultural management. In this method, we are doing some works. First is the disease plants. All the disease plants are put up from the field and burning them. First of function, we should all the disease plants put off and burning them. And second method, use disease-free. Use disease-free nursery stock for planting. Use disease-free stocks for planting in the field. Third point, all the infected fallen leaves and twigs should be collected and burnt them. All infected and dried leaves and twigs should be collected and burn them. Next is after the pruning and destroying the other parts, dried parts of the infected plants, spraying the tree with the 1% Bordeaux mixture. After the pruning of the plants, spraying 1% Bordeaux mixture in the all plants. Okay, this is about the cultural method. Next we talk about biological method. In this method we should use disease resistance variety of citrus plant like paper citrus, SN2, hybrid 2 and hybrid 4. This is disease resistance variety of citrus which we can use to control and avoid, eradicate this disease. Next is chemical management. In chemical management, first is spraying Bordeaux mixture, 1% Bordeaux mixture and lime sulfur. Bordeaux mixture and lime sulfur to control the disease, and it should be done during the first 3 months after beginning the fruit formation. This spray done during the first 3 months after beginning the fruit formation. And second chemical management is spraying streptocycline antibiotic. Streptocycline antibiotic to controlling the disease. This spray is repeated after every 15 days interval. Okay, and by this chemical management we can control or regulate the disease of the plants. Okay, so this is all about the management of citrus canker disease. Okay, if you understand about this video, then you can like video, share video and subscribe the channels. Okay, thank you.